Now, this question, kind of like question 10, is asking us about our understanding of f of x, or in this case, g of x statements. In other words, how many people know that this statement means that x is 3 when y is 2,375? Seeing it that way, you can just take the function they gave you and plug in the x and the y where they go, because f of x, g of x, h of x, those are all fancy ways to say y. So we can put the y value right there. That equals 19 times a to the x value right there. So now we have an equation we can solve. The first thing to do here would be to divide both sides by 19. And 2,375 divided by 19 is 125. So 125 equals a cubed. Right now our variable is to the third power, so the opposite is to take the third root, the cube root of it. And so a is right now equal to the cube root of 125, which is 5. So now that we know that a is 5, we can rewrite the equation. We can say g of x is 19 times 5 to the x. Now, by the way, a is being called a constant. What is that? A constant is different from x and y. X and y are numbers that are constantly changing. But if something's called a constant, it's not changing like an x or y. It just is what it is. Once you find that value, it is that value forever. So if we had 19 times a to the x, from now on, this is 19 times 5 to the x. And so what's g of 4? That basically means that we're just plugging in x equals 4 here. So 19 times 5 to the 4th. And on the calculator, 5 to the 4th is 625. So that's 19 times 625. And once again on the calculator, that comes out to 11,875.